Hello explorers! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will let you know how to perform Crud operations in Laravel. We will firstly start with simple applications, then move on to typical ones. We will write commands for making model and controller. Let's say I have created technology model and controller. This is a plain controller, as you can see, and won't contain any methods. Now we will create resource controller. Just append -- resource. Then this will automatically generate methods such as index, create, store, edit, update and delete within the controller. Routes are defined in the web.php. So I am defining route for my resource controller. I prefer resource controller because I don't have to define route for each view and method individually. It just need a single line to include all required routes. Now I will show you how these route methods will work for resource controller. We will type the URI technologies as we defined in web.php route file. Then by default for single technologies URI index will be called, and if you put / and method name, then corresponding method like create will be called. Okay, now let's make view for create route and method. I am going to use the predefined register.blade.dt.php file code. Thus copying from there and will paste into my create.blade.php file. I am modifying the code as per my requirement. I am renaming the name and other fields with title input and description text area. We just need 2 fields here. Let's firstly change the root action. We will write here as what we specify in the web.php file. Our technologies URI then .method name. We will change the ID, name, and other fields that resemble with ours. As I am firstly creating only 2 fields. Title and decryption. Now we will firstly check that all the post data will actually comes here in our store function or not, by print our function. So by this I hope you came to know that our data on submit will hit this store method, as we have specified in the form action also. Therefore form action sent data to store method. So I have checked that our whole data is coming here. Now I am commenting this printer function. Now to import technology model I am declaring namespace so that I can use it in my methods. Then I have scrolled down towards my store method. So I am writing code to store our post data in the database using create method. An important note to use while using it that when to use array parameters. If the spelling of your input name fields has same as that of database fields name, then create method without array key value pairs will work. Otherwise you have to specify key value parameters like I do. For example, in the commented code this is create with request all method. This is used if the input field's name has same as that of database field's name. I am providing the key value pairs here. Key is the database column field name and value is that we provide in the input field name. OK. I am writing the field names that will be feeable while submitting data to the database. These are column field names. So make sure about the correct spell. As I have title and description as column fields names, I have mentioned those. Before I continue further, please do like, subscribe and press bell icon to get more notifications on the video. We will create migration for technologies table. Laravel has some conventions to write table names. Name of the model and controller is singular and table in plural. You can check and read more in the Laravel documentation site. So migration file is created but the table is not yet created. Before creating table through artisan command, we will modify the migration file first. So I am entering the column fields in the migration file created for table technologies. For more data types you can check in the Laravel documentation. I have set the by default field as null, so that it won't throw any error in future. I have written PHP artisan migrate command so that my table get imported into the database. So you can see that migration is entered in P migration table. Also the technologies table is created. So data with title and description is entering in the database. As you have noticed, after submission blank screen is shown. It's just because we have not specified any view. So let's specify return to index view in the store method. So after submission it redirects to index method. Let's revise what we have done so far. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press bell icon to get more notifications on the video for Crud Part 2.